No.
Cool it down, Maya. Cool it down?
Keep shaking it. When it quits popping, it's done.
Alright, Papa, is it my turn? No, until it's starting to get non-wrinkly.
Shake. You gotta keep shaking it. Shake it, Maya. Go ahead, Hannah. That smells good. I think it's done. Quit popping. Good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye. Peace. Peace.
I love you. I love you, Mommy.